What's up guys, this is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We're going to be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut headlight tint for this 2024 Toyota Tacoma. This will work on the 24 and up model. This is an air release film, so it's applied completely dry. The film type we're showing you is the dark smoke 20%. We also have this available in a light smoke and then a handful of other different color options. First, you want to start by cleaning the area of the vehicle where you're going to be working, and then right prior to installation you want to wipe down the surface with a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a microfiber. Once that has dried off, you could go ahead and start to apply the film. This is a dry application film, so no need for a slip solution. The only other tools that you'll need are a heat gun. Pretty straightforward on this one. We're shooting to aim to cover that guy. So if you sort of get this aligned on the backside, so once you got it in position there, just grab your heat gun. You just want to go over the surface and press it down again. So that one is a very straightforward application. The light smoke, we have images of it on the website as well. You'll still sort of see the amber side marker on the light smoke film, but I would say it probably has more of a look of like that upper portion where Tacoma is at. But if you have any questions or you want to check out those other films, feel free to ask. And if you're interested in this product, the link is in the video description below. I also have linked everything else that we offer for this vehicle. And thanks for watching.